How to make bulgogi, Korean BBQ beef. Bulgogi is one of the most popular Korean dishes. It means fire meat and is known for its sweet, savory, and juicy flavors. Here's how you can make it at home. Ingredients for 2 or 3 servings. 1 pound thinly sliced beef ribeye or sirloin works best. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoons sugar. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Half small onion, sliced thin. 2 green onions chopped. 1 tablespoon mirin optional sweet rice wine. Half teaspoon black pepper. Half Korean pear or apple. Grated optional helps tenderize. 1 teaspoon sesame seeds for garnish. Instructions. First, make the marinade. In a bowl, mix together soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, garlic, black pepper, mirin, and grated pear. Second, marinate the beef. Add the thinly sliced beef to the marinade and mix well. Add sliced onion and green onion. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or up to a few hours for deeper flavor. Third, cook the bulgogi. Heat a non-stick pan or grill over medium-high heat. Cook the marinated beef until it's fully cooked and slightly caramelized about 3 to 5 minutes. Don't overcrowd the pan, cook in batches if needed. Fourth, serve. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and serve with steamed rice, lettuce wraps, and Korean side dishes. Tips. You can also add mushrooms, carrots, or bell peppers for more flavor and texture. For the best results, use thinly sliced frozen beef. Asian markets often sell shabu-shabu style cuts. Bulgogi is great for Korean BBQ at home or meal prepping. Like and follow for more.